Here we have for sale our one owner from new, no VAT, 2022 on a 22 plate Volkswagen Transporter. This is a T6.1, so the facelifted 6th generation of the Volkswagen Transporter. This is a T32, so 3.2 tonne gross vehicle weight. It's got the 2 litre TDI Euro 6 diesel engine producing 150 PS in this particular example, which is roughly 150 brake horsepower. That is accompanied with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox, and this is a short wheelbase Highline Kombi van finished with a fantastic deep black pearl. And what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a Volkswagen Transporter T6.1 Highline DSG Kombi of this age. I'll talk you through the list of optional extras that are on this particular example from factory, and also the list of further modifications and enhancements that have been done. I'll also talk you through the condition in detail, and also talk to you about the service history, seeing as the vehicle is currently available for sale with us here at Bridgend Van Centre. So starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one is spec'd with a rear glazed tailgate. So a tailgate is one door which comes up like so, and glazed of course meaning it has got the rear glass. Now I can immediately see a couple of enhancements here at the back. So we can see, to start with, we've got the rear spoiler, which is just there, of course, nicely color coded in the body color, which is a nice touch. And then down below then we've got the nice carbon rear bumper protector there as well, which serves a purpose, but also I think looks very nice also. On a Highline, you do get parking sensors that come as standard, so you can see rear parking sensors. You also get front parking sensors as standard, but a couple of bits here which don't come as standard, which are optional extras, are the reversing camera, which is just there. And then also, if we put our head under here, you can see that this one has got the little 13-pin electric tow bar hookup, because this one has also got a detachable tow bar as well, which is again a really nice touch, because you'd never know it was there, but if you ever did need it, if you want to put a bike rack on here or do any towing, then you can put the tow bar on, but it doesn't look at this horrible big tow bar out to the back. In terms of condition, as you can probably see here, it is in absolutely stunning order at the back. Really nice job, of course, as always with our guys here, who thoroughly detailed the vehicle throughout. And opening up the back of the van, then we can start to have a look inside here. So again, further enhancement here in the back. This is a big one on this van, and that is the carpet lining. So fully carpet lined on the sides here, on the wheel boxes, but also with this fantastic suede headline as well. So it really adds a touch of luxury there to the headlining. And then you've also got the LED spotlights up there as well. Inside the rear tailgate, you've then got the carpet lining, which continues there inside the tailgate. The floor has this nice soft touch rubber flooring in the back. That's what comes from factory on the Kombis. On the left hand side then, this is the correct placement of the toolkit, and then that is your detachable tow bar just there as well. But absolutely fantastic condition inside the back of there. We can also then, from here, we can see the rear seats, and again, which is another optional extra on this particular example, and that is because it has got a 2+1 split rear seating configuration. So as standard, a Highline Kombi will come with one 3-seater bench on the in the back, but as I say, this one has got a 2+1, which is a really desirable optional extra, because it just means that you can operate those sets of seats completely independently. So if you just want to remove that single seat, you can. It allows you to load items, longer items, down one side. You can fold that seat down, you can flip it up, which, as I say, being able to do that independently without having to do the full bench in the back is a really, really nice bonus. But yeah, stunning condition in there, and of course lovely spec as well. But yeah, just having a close look here at the condition of this tailgate, you can just see how clean and tidy that is. Really nice gloss to the paintwork. As always, as I say, all of our vans are fully detailed, and this is no different. I mentioned parking sensors a little bit earlier on, but this one has actually got, you'll see there, an extra parking sensor on the side, and that is because that is again another optional extra. This has got side scan. So side scan on these, and a side scan and park assist, I should say. So it gives you an extra parking sensor on the sides at the back, and it also gives you an extra parking sensor on the sides at the front. Now, what that does, it gives you a bit more sort of virtual visibility as you're parking the vehicle. So when you put the vehicle into reverse or you're maneuvering, you've got this extra sort of layer of visibility where it's picking up on items which are to the side. But the park assist part of it is this van will actually park itself. So there's a button on the dashboard where if you find a relevant spot to park into, you can follow the instructions on the screen and it will reverse into the space for you. Will you ever use it? Probably not. But I think the practical, the very practical sort of benefit of this optional extra, as I say, is having better parking sensors basically on the vehicle than you would on a standard one. But who knows? Yeah, maybe the parking sensor, the park assist, the park pilot, that could be a nice little party trick to show the kids or show the friends. It might work out very well. Now then, this, again, another optional extra on this one. It's got twin side loading doors. So as standard, you get a side loading door on the passenger side just here. But you also, on this one, you've got a driver side loading door, which is, again, another optional extra. But from here, then, you can see the condition of the seats. You can see they're in absolutely fantastic condition throughout. Looking at the plastics here, the step inside here, the back of the seats. You can just see how clean and tidy this is. And again, it's just the attention to detail that we go to when preparing them. And you can just see how clean and tidy these are in here. Isofix compatibility then across all three of the rear seats in the back. And but I say this seat can operate independently. So pull on that little handle there, gives you some access into the back. Pull on this little tab just here, and that allows you then to fold the seat down flat. You can see you've also got a top tether there as well. So for the relevant child seat, that is a nice little touch as well. But from here, actually, it gives you a nice look inside the load area. And again, just how clean and tidy that is. The headlining, the carpet lining in there. But yeah, not really much to fault in here. It's looking really, really smart, considering this is this van's over 4 years old now. It is in really lovely order. Opening up the passenger door. Having a look inside the passenger door there. The floor, the step. There's no real issues here at all. Looking at the seating setup in the front. So this one is set up with the 2 captain seats in the front, which is, again, not to everyone's taste, but probably the more desirable option is to have it set up as a 5-seater like this. I think is really, really smart indeed. This one has actually also got another optional extra on this one. This one's actually got factory swivels. So if we let me show you how to do this. So if we actually just wind the seat forward a touch like that, there is a little handle here under the front. Give that a pull, and that allows you to swing that seat all the way around. You can do exactly the same with the driver's side seat as well. So you've then got factory swivel seat. So what a great day van this then becomes. If we pop this seat back up into the proper position, you have then got, as I imagine that one's turned around as well, you've then got the 5 seats all facing each other, and you can have a sort of a communal picnic here in the back of the van. But again, a really nice factory optional extra. And I say they're not aftermarket, they are factory swivels. You can tell that by their little handle just there. And also factory swivels don't have height adjustment on the seats as well. So that's always a bit of a little insider giveaway there, a bit of van nerdism, you could say. Having a look then at some of the other bits that have been added here. So we have got the Navis Twin 5 gloss black alloy wheels, my personal favourite alloy wheel for a transporter. I had the same one on my T6.1. I think they just look absolutely stunning, especially on a black van like this where everything is stealthed out, and with everything is black like this, I think it looks really, really nice indeed. The really strong wheel as well. We've never had one of these crack or buckle on all of the transporters that we have fitted them on. And I also really like that the profile of the alloy actually matches the Sportline-style sidebars that we fit as well. So I think it just, not only does it look nice, but they perform really well. I think it just matches so well with everything else going on with the van. And then you've also got a nice set of roof bars as well, which have been added there as well. In terms of condition here, I mean, just having a look down the side of the vehicle, you can just see how clean and straight this is down the side of the van. There is the smallest little pin dent just here. But other than that, there's really not much to fault. It is looking really, really smart. Around to the front then, some further enhancements here. So this one has got a genuine ABT front splitter. So ABT is effectively the tuning house of Volkswagen, so sort of what AMG is to Mercedes. ABT is kind of like that to Volkswagen, so that's got a genuine ABT front splitter, which I think looks really, really smart. And you know, of course, being ABT, that is going to be to the absolute highest of quality, so that really does make the front of the van look really smart. A nice subtle enhancement. You've then got the gloss black lower grills, which have been changed, the gloss black upper grills, which have been changed, and this one has also been enhanced with the Transporter HQ headlight upgrade as well, with their brighter bulbs. And you've also got then the LED daytime running lights as well, which I think look absolutely stunning. So these lights are, you can see all the innards of these lights are black, and again, especially on a black van like this, I think it just looks really mean indeed. Having a look here then at the condition of the front of the bonnet here, looking in lovely order. You're going to get the odd tiny little stone chip or blemish here or there, but there's not much to fault really. It's it's looking very, very nice. And then down the driver's side of the vehicle, having a look again in the reflections here. Now I remember when this van came into us, we did have a little repair done just here, just a small little repair, only localized. Not that you would probably ever know that, but I will tell you because I know, and I know that was done. So if I know, I will be transparent and I will tell you. But yeah, I say you'll never know it. But yeah, this door was painted by here. But yeah, it's also lowered, so it's on lowering springs, so lowered 40mm all round. If I open up the driver's side loading door, then it just gives you another aspect of the space from this side as well. Just showing you how clean and tidy that is in there. And then we open up the driver's door. Again, having a look at the condition here of the driver's seat. Again, you have got the swivel here on the driver's seat as well. A little bit more difficult to do on the driver's seat because you've got the steering wheel and the handbrake to take into account. But basically, if you wind the seat forward like that one is, you can get it into the right position and it can be done relatively easily. 2 full flip remote keys come with the vehicle, of course. On the driver's door then we've got electric windows, electric heated folding mirrors, auto lights, auto wipers. If we jump inside then, 43,929 miles. You can see it's all idling correctly as it should do. On the left hand side you've got adaptive cruise control on here. On the right hand side then you've got your onboard computer controls just there as well. 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox, as I mentioned. You've got air conditioning. Here is your park pilot button. If you want it to park itself, you can turn the parking sensors on or off. Then you can turn your start stop on or off. And then this button over on the right hand side there, that is your heated windscreen. Into the center then you've got on the radio button you've got DAB radio, and if you click the app button, that's where you've got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay on here as well. Now if I put the vehicle into reverse, that is where your reversing camera is displayed as well. In terms of service history, we've got a really nice service history with this van. As I say, it's one owner from new. They've clearly looked after it, as you can see from the condition of the van and the type of spec that's on it. They've obviously spec'd this up really well from factory. But yeah, really nice service history with it. So we've got a record of 3 previous services that have been done, most recently at 40,000 miles. I'm going to say it's only on 43,000 now, so done at 40,000 miles. Regardless of that, it's been right through our van specialist workshop, which is Bridgend Van Centre, and they've gone through this with a fine tooth comb. Of course, they fitted the lowering springs, fitted the wheels, fitted the sidebars as part of obviously the work they do for us, even though it's all really part of the same company. But they've also done a full multi-point health check, and I think the only thing it needed was a set of wiper blades. So it really is a super clean van and ready to go. I had a new MOT as well. We put a new MOT on it as well for the new owner. So yeah, it is absolutely ready to go. No VAT, 2022, and the perfect model. This is, if I could go back in time and spec one, this is the perfect model. The T32 150 DSG short wheelbase Highline Kombi. That is exactly what I would spec if I was going back in time. Finished in deep black pearl, really nice list of optional extras, things like the swivel seats you don't see very often, and then enhanced very well with things like the ABT front end, the Transporter HQ headlights, the lowering, the Navis wheels, the carpet lining. A very attractive proposition indeed, and no VAT. You never get these with no VAT, so that is also a major selling point for this van. If you'd like to see the full advert, you can head over to our website there, bridgendvans.co.uk. That's where you'll find the price, the description and the photography. The van is supplied with 12 months AA warranty. We can also deliver our vans nationwide. We can arrange funding at very competitive rates, and we can also take cars or vans in part exchange as well. Thank you very much for watching.